In this tutorial, I just want to explain some modify commands like erase, copy, trim. These are all major modify commands with which we can easy our drawing. Similar to copy, I will discuss move also. Let's start. I have circle like this. If you want to delete this circle, use erase command. E, enter. Select this, enter. Or simply select the object and delete. Automatically erase option only performs. And I have same circle. If I want to copy, if I want to create same kind of circle, I can use the copy. Shortcut will be CO or CP, both are same. CP, CO, both are works for copy. After that, select objects. Selecting the object, click enter. You will get like a base point or displacement mode. We will discuss later. I am specifying one base point. Click here. After that, specify second point. Wherever you click, it will create number of copies. That is all about copy command. Just delete this. Copy. Select the object. Enter. What about the displacement? Usually we pick the base point with respect to point, from point to point, like that. Base point will be from point. If you don't know from point, click on display. Displacement means from point is default 0, 0, 0. Here also you can click somewhere, but reference point is the origin point. Next, copy. Select the object, click enter. In the mode, you will get like a single, multiple. In the default, multiple copy will be chosen. If you click single, after specifying base point, second point itself operation will be exited. In multiple, you can create a number of multiple copies. Next one, copy. Select the object, click enter, choose multiple. After specifying the base point itself, you will get one more shortcut, one more sub option, array. If you don't choose any array, you can create like multiple copies, that's it. But array is the different property, you already know. Array means at a single click you can create a number of duplicates. Click array, enter number of items to the array. I will choose 10 units. You can clearly see with the second point itself, I can create 10 copies linearly. With the second point, I can choose the distance between copies and angle for the copies. Or you can get one more sub option, like if you click on fit, what happens here, the second point is situated between first and last objects. If you click like this, you will get number of copies. So this is all about copy option. Next one, if you go with the move, what happens to the move? I am creating a circle. I am using move. Shortcut will be M. Select the object, click enter. Again base point, you already know displacement, just now we have explained. If you click on center point and second point, what happens? A copy operation performs, but the first object deleted. That's the move. Simply object moves from one to another location. Next one, I just want to explain modify commands. Trim and action both are similar. Just I will use trim command. For that, I am creating irregular lines like this. Some intersection lines are there. I am using a trim command. If you select from here, again you have to click enter. If not, whatever the object you have selected, click enter, that won't get trimmed. It will be treated as a reference. If not, I will use a TR double enter 2 times. Now I can trim whatever the line it is between two intersection points or up to the intersection point, which is known as a crossing only. Crossing means at the crossing point automatically object will get trimmed. Control Z. If you use a TR double enter, what is fence? If you use fence, it is like a first fence point or pick and drag. Click here, click here, click here, click here, here, clicks. All I can show a dotted line or the line which is specifying a trimmer. If the line touches one half of the intersected line, it will automatically get trimmed. all you need to do, click enter. Entirely you can you can trim all number of objects at a time. TR double enter. Next one we will discuss about arrays. You already know. If you click it, enter, there is no consideration of intersection, it will trim under object. TR double enter, you already know, undo. So we will discuss edge and project. First we will discuss with edge. I will delete all these objects and I will create a line like this and one more line like this. There is no intersection between these two, but I want to trim this object with respect to this one. For that you need to go edge, means there is no intersection. You will get two options like extend and no extend. Default no extend will be selected. If you select no extend, nothing happens because there is no intersection. In the edge, if you use extend, automatically nearby extended points will be calculated and it will get trimmed up to this point. I just hold shift to activate extend while using trim. I am using trim command, but I am using the extend. If you just simply hold it, simply you can get the extra. What is meant by extend? If you extend means nearby extended point will be treated as a intersected points. One problem is there, like I have several line commands like that. If you use trim command in the edge, if you select extend, this kind of a partial trims will occur. This is a kind of a disadvantage with this one. Why? Because it will calculate all nearby edges. That is why some kind of a drawback here. But you can use it without extension command. And if you use last command project, for that I want to explain this command. From if you view from top view, it is one over another. But if you use side view, this line is not intersecting. I have created like a point with above the grid. Now TR double enter. Project, we have three options like a none, UCS view. If you select none, nothing will get trimmed. In the project, if you use UCS, it will trim automatically even though there is no intersection. But Control Z, I just want to show from the top view, this is like an intersection, and even I'm just orbiting like this. I just want to trim it. It is trimming only up to this point only. Why? Because from the top, wherever you get the intersection point, you will that object will get trimmed. And in the project we have view. This is a kind of a different use, like only in 3D it will get used. View means user view. In any kind of event, if you view like this, it won't get trimmed. Why? Because nothing is there. If you like this, some part it is like intersection and I can trim it, but in top view it's not there. Like I can trim it, still there. I can view like this and I can trim intersection point. The user observed position, somewhere if you get any trimmed intersection objects, it will get trimmed using the project view option. This is all about erase, copy, move and trim. Simply I just conclude with the extend command. EX double enter. Up to the intersected point it will get extended, or if you hold shift up to the intersection point it will be trimmed. All options are similar like a trim, but here extend means up to the nearest edge it will get extended. Trim means if you hold trim up to the intersected point it will get trimmed. I can use the trim option while using the extend or TR double enter. I can use extend option using the trim command. That's all I want to explain about all these modify commands. Thank you for watching guys. Please comment below if you want to update anything. We will meet again with next video.